Hey Jay, it's Matt. I just wanted to put this little bit of thinking out loud with you. In general, there's really nitpicky things that I'll show you here, but in general, this passes. This is the norm for a garage door. With that being said, there's a couple of pieces that I just want to chat about. This door is the middle door, and this weather stripping, that's probably the biggest gap I see, 1/8 of an inch, maybe close to a quarter. So there's a little bit of daylight in that on the inside. And then this rubber, is pushing out. And that's just a little bit of a retraining piece that might help sink that piece back. So what I think we're talking about is this little gap in here, and that's a really hard piece to officially seal up. And if we have dirt coming in each corner, that middle door is on my radar as being the biggest gap. And so we could redo that stick, shore up that 1/8 of an inch. This other side, there's an even smaller gap. The other doors have that weather stripping all the way down, and it seems really well sealed. And if dust is coming in through there, I put this out into a group of other door techs just because it gets to another level, and I want to make sure I've got all my good thinking on it. We do have the option, I can replace this. We can do an upgrade to where there's an actual metal backed piece, and it's got a double fin, so there's an exterior and an interior fin. That may or may not solve that problem. We can add some brush seals on the inside to potentially gain this. And then the last thing I wanted to just think about and put on the radar was negative air pressure. And if the house isn't set up with HVAC yet, potentially there's something happening when on these windy days there actually becomes a vacuum-like type of physical, response here in the garage doors, and it's actually sucking in. Because from what I see, most of the stuff that is blowing